Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Text Everyday. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Let me ask you one question. You know the meaning of the word love? Make we look in at the Bible and see how we can learn to love God and to love people more. The first scripture we are going to look upon is 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4. This is how it says. When somebody have love in them heart, them kind to people and them take time with them. Them no ready to go and bossy. People will have love in them heart, no love for show off. Make we look upon this deep and see where we can learn from it. First thing this verse say, love for in our heart. Yes, for sure real love means say we have to have love deep in our heart. That the love means say we have to be patient with people. What that mean? Well, it means say we must take with time with one another. Love can't help if we not be ready or go and bossy. This plain and simple. We not fi want where other people have. So we go do and say anything to get it. And last but not least, no practice for show off on people, whether them rich or poor. What you fi do is stay humble and treat people the way you want them to treat you. And keep this in the back of your mind. Love, our master key. It will open any kind of door. Think about this. Where is a text that teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far. If you like this Patwa text, then subscribe to the channel. Do it now. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with everybody. Turn on your notification bell so you are the first one when a new video posts.